This is little Little with her tiny little baby.
Piglet.
That's your Piglet. There she goes. There she goes. There's Little with her Piglet baby. This is a piglet that was born and was a runt in a miniature pig group. And Little helped us save her. And so the little piglet Little has two babies of her own, and so Little was so happy to take care. Don't put that in her face though.
So cute.
There you go. Get up and
I think it's good for the baby to be snuggled like that.
your nipple. She's rooting. She's not looking for a nipple.
You think she's just comforting herself?
Yeah, she's rooting.